Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gregory, and today what I'll be doing is I'll be converting an old chandelier that used to use incandescent bulbs to be able to use LED bulbs. So stick around for it, okay? Alright, so what I have laid out here, guys, is a old chandelier. As you can see, it's a bit old. Alright, so if you look closely, these are the receptacles that you would screw in the bulbs in, but as you can see, they used to use a really small bulb. Alright, compare that to the socket that would use screwing a regular bulb in. You can see the size. Alright, so what I'll be doing is removing these. They use 3, and I'll be replacing them with these. These are called pigtail sockets, or pigtail receptacles, sorry. And these you can screw in your standard bulbing, such as these. Okay, so let me put you guys down and we start doing some work. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is remove these receptacles, all right, or sockets if you want to call it that. Now these just screw, the tips out, the top of them just screw off. So you screw them off like that, and then you, let me get this part out of the way. All right, then you just pull them out. All right, there you go. And now I'll be replacing them with these. These are called banding nipples, and these are used to secure wires in handy box. Well, I realized that based on how it's secured in the handy box, it could replace these. So these are what I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to put them in like that and secure them from the back. Now how these work, the wires go through them, and then you tighten these 2 screws down to hold the wire firm. And 2.5 mm electrical wires. Next thing, I'm gonna need to fish this through the center of this chandelier. All right, so let me get that in. All right, this whole, let me get the drill out of the way. This whole chandelier can be screwed apart just like this. All right, so it's a lot easier for me to try get these wires through when it's apart. Okay, now using 1.5 mm wire would have been easier to slide through, but I only have 2.5 right now, so I'm gonna try to get it through. Okay guys, what I had to do, I had to find some 1.5 because what I thought this was the original wire that was in the chandelier. I wanted to change it to 2.5, but I just couldn't get it through the pipe, so I had to go back and look for the old wire that was in it. So what I'm going to do now is push it through the wire, through the pipe, and then we can start assembling back this chandelier, alright? Okay, so we're at the point now where we're gonna install these into the chandelier. So, as I said, these can open up. I'm gonna push these through like this. And then I tighten down this part. Okay guys, so I'm at the point where now I'm gonna connect the live and the neutral together so that all the bulbs come on at once and it's turned on, okay? So I'm gonna put on the screw caps now. Okay. Before I do that, I need to do let me test something and see. I'm gonna do a continuity testing to make sure that I am picking up the right wires, because to me both of them are the same color. So I'm going to take my meter and I'm going to do the live. I'm using the black as the live, the white as the neutral. So it's not this one. Alright, so it's this one that's the live. Alright, so let me tie it off just to mark it. Alright. So that means this one should be the neutral. Alright, there you go. Alright, so let's turn it off, get it out of the way. Okay, so now I can put back on my screw caps. Alright, so what I went ahead and did, I put a little black tape over the neutral just to mark it, alright? So now I can go ahead and fit this back up. Alright guys, so I'm done assembling down here. I've tucked in the wire. There should be a cap here, but as I said, it's an old chandelier, so I'm not sure where that is right now, but this part won't be showing, as this will be down in the base here, so you won't see it. Alright? Okay guys, I'm at the point now where I'm gonna try to install this in the ceiling, alright? So let's go.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, moment of truth, guys. I'm finished. As you can see in the background, there it is. So let me flip the switch. Ah, there you go. Look at that. So tell me what you guys think. Do you like it? It was an old chandelier I had,
Close till I get up.
and I modified it to use LED lights.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on and on.
So that's it, guys. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? I think I did a good job. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, alright? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. I'll catch you in the other video, okay?